Alright guys, so continuing to work on the S2000. I just took off the hardtop. Look how sick this car looks. How much I love the convertible look. Don't get me wrong, I don't like convertibles, but this car, it's just something about it. I really want to get the convertible soft top fixed. That way I can roll with it. I'm going to be working on this area right here. And that should be the last of the sanding before I start painting the car. I got the gas cap door, whatever it's called, off. Now I can really sand in here. I'm not gonna do this part yet. I want to do it in the future, just not right now. Just want to finish up the car so I can start driving it again, because it is my daily. The second week I haven't been driving it, so also gotta re-clear the hardtop. Alright guys, we're now headed to the paint shop. I gotta buy some primer and get the paint job done, because it's going to be about 2 weeks that the car has been sitting ever since I did the fender and the rear bumper. So yeah, I kind of want to drive the car again, so I got to get this done ASAP. Of course, I got Lily with me. She's got some swimming lessons later today, so once she goes swimming, I'm gonna take advantage of primering the rear quarter panel and getting it ready for paint. We're gonna go buy some paint, okay? Okay, it's fine. I thought I hit something. It sounded kind of weird. Oof, it's another hot day. I'm gonna, of course, wait till I start painting.
I'm too hot.
Probably like around 4 or 5.
In the shade?
And I think I saw, yeah, we can go in the shade. Yeah. I think I saw it's still gonna be like high 80s at 4 or 5 p.m. That's insane. Guys, it's now the next day. This thing's been drying overnight and all day out in the sun. It's ready to get painted. So I'm gonna be moving the car right over here, masking, covering up the car once again, and then finally laying down some paint, pearl, and I kind of want to do the clear coat today just so that I don't have to go through this whole process over again. Let it dry tomorrow, and then Sunday it should be ready. It's like 8:30 at night and I'm just mixing the clear coat right now. I am so behind on this project. The last step before getting everything done. it's now the next day. I got the car all put back together. This thing came out okay. I'm not gonna say it's 100% because I did do it outside, and as you guys saw, I was painting in the dark last night. But yeah, I got it all assembled. I got the gas cap back on, tail light back on. I gotta put on the rear bumper and just latch on the hardtop. Yes, rear bumper. And yeah, we're ready to go. There is a few little imperfections, but I did do this on a time crunch. Not aiming for perfection, like I said. Maybe one day I will make it a real project and have it like showroom clean. Right now I got to get ready. I am heading to TJ's meet at my local mall. He's hosting a car meet at Zoomies, so if you guys are local, hopefully I see you guys there and you guys say what's up. Taking obviously the R32, so I gotta clean up the wheels. I don't have time to wash it anymore. I'm gonna clean up the wheels, maybe the windshield, interior, and time to go. So